to the hearing in circumstances where Mr. Zuma has left. I've been told Mr. Zuma had been issued with a summons to be here. He has left today without asking me to be excused.
Lawo mazwi aqhamuka kuhlalo wekhomishana ephenya ukugwamanda kwamandla ombuso iphini lonhloko yamajaji uRaymond Zondo. Emva kokuthi lo wayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma wahamba kulesigcawu ngaphandle kwemvumo yephini lenhloko yamajaji. uZuma waqhubeka nongasilaleli lesigcawu nongayi kuyophendula imibuzo kusona lesigcawu. Waphinde futhi wangawulalela umyalelo wenkantolo yomthetho sisekelo ukuthi ahamba eyophendula lemibuzo yenkohlakalo eyenzeka ngenkathi engumongameli wezwe.
Never before has the authority and legitimacy of the Constitutional Court been subjected to the kinds of attacks that Mr. Zuma has elected to launch against it and its members. Never before has the judicial process been so threatened. Although Mr. Zuma is no longer president, his conduct flies in the face of the obligation he bore as president. And it is also not insignificant that Mr. Zuma's contemptuous conduct relate to his duty to account for the time that he was in office. So is accordingly inextricably linked to his constitutional obligations as a public office bearer. The Constitutional Court holds that it is disturbing that he, who twice saw allegiance to the Republic, its laws and the Constitution, has sought to ignore, undermine, and in many ways destroy the rule of law altogether.
Inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo ithi uZuma unegunya lokuvikela umthetho sisekelo wezwe kodwa uyahluleka ukwenza lokho.
No person is above the law, and every person, whatever be her or his rank or condition, is subject to the ordinary realm of the law and amenable to the jurisdiction of its tribunals. An act of defiance in respect of a direct judicial order has the potential to precipitate a constitutional crisis. If with impunity, litigants are allowed to decide which orders they wish to obey and which they wish to ignore, then our Constitution is not worth the paper upon which it is written.
Inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo ithi ibinganalo elinye igxathu ebingalithatha ngaphandle kokumgojela uZuma bemgwebe ejele izinyanga eziyi-15.
But to commit Mr. Zuma to imprisonment with the hope that doing so sends an unequivocal message. In this, our constitutional dispensation, the rule of law and the administration of justice prevails.
uZuma unezinsuku eziy'nhlanu ukuthi azise kwisiteshi samaphoyisa enkundla.
It is declared that Mr. Jacob Zuma is guilty of the crime of contempt of court for failure to comply with the order made by this court in Secretary of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry. Mr. Jacob Zuma is sentenced to undergo 15 months imprisonment.
Wayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma unezinsuku eziy'nhlanu ukuthi azise kwisiteshi samaphoyisa ukuze azoqala isigwebo sakhe sezinyanga eziyi-15. Mayehluleka ukwenza lokho, ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubeka icele kuzomele ambophe. Ucele kulezi inyanga ezidlule wahamba naye wayophuza itiye naye wayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma enkundla. Kuzobonakala ukuthi ucele uzokwazi yini ukumbopha. Ngingusamkele Maseko ngibekela izindaba ze-SABC eGoli.